Hey everyone, so welcome back. Today we are playing with a bunch of new makeup, and I'm basically going to go through all this makeup and let you guys know whether you need to purchase it or you need to pass. So I want to get started and I want to get some of this makeup on my face. But if you guys are new, I hope you guys will stick around. Hit that subscribe button down below if you guys haven't yet, and let's So I have this primer here, which is by Purelisse. This is the Silk Glow BB Base Primer, which is an oil-free satin sheen natural glow finish that's supposed to extend the makeup wear. This is actually a product that I received in my Ipsy unboxing, so if you haven't seen it, it was for last month, but there were a couple of things in there that I wanted to incorporate in today's video, and this is one of them because I do like Purelisse. I like the brand. I think it works really good for me and my skin, and so far the products that I've tried from this brand have worked out really well. I actually really like the way that this is finishing out. I like the way this feels. I do have a few things. I don't know how well this is going to work, but Kokie Cosmetics did send over a few products for me to try out. One of them being their Cover and Conceal Beauty Sponge. So I want to give this a shot, so I'm going to go ahead and wet my sponge. But they also sent over this foundation, which is their Perfect Skin HD foundation, which looks like this. Now you can see super dark for me right now. I also picked up this Milani Glow. This is a hydrating skin tint in 110 Fair to Light. So my hope is that I can mix these two, and by mixing both of these, I can try to get like a correct shade. I don't know. Good thing I'm wearing like a really high top shirt today. So, I mean, you know, I'm not going anywhere. So, I mean, I can make it work. It's a natural finish foundation that offers flawless HD perfection in every light. It's like complete opposite spectrums of shades that I need for me. Look at this. Like two complete opposite shades. Feels very similar to like the Real Techniques one. It's not really giving me any coverage, and I can't tell if it's because I put too much of this glow. Let's try something different. Let's do the Perfect foundation, but I gotta mix it with something else because I'm worried that the skin tint is gonna basically wipe it out. Is it this or is it the sponge? So there I have one full layer, super lightweight, which I'm okay with, but I'm gonna wait a little bit to apply a second layer and see. Let's do this. Sorry, I have this brush. Dang it, I completely forgot. This is the Heavenly Skin brush that I got through Ipsy again. So I'm gonna try this actually. So that's 2 layers. I really don't want to go in any more than this, only because I don't want it to be super cakey. But I'm gonna go in and just spot conceal really quickly, and this is just using the Tarte Shape Tape. For concealing, I'm gonna go in with the Be Bright. This isn't probably new to Kokie Cosmetics in general, but this is new to me. So we're gonna go ahead and give it a shot. I'm just gonna conceal underneath my eyes. I don't really conceal anywhere else. My forehead, I just kind of leave it alone. I like the sponge. Oh, this is bright. It's very lightweight. So for the face, I do have this powder right here, which is by Winky Lux. This is the matte. It says transparent setting powder for all skin tones. Thought it would be best if we just use this for all over the face. And, you know, if it gives a little bit of color, great. If not, it's fine. Oh yeah, it's giving me a little bit of color. I can see that. I still feel like my skin looks uneven. I always feel like such a different woman when I put my brows on. Like, it just feels so much more put together. Whole new woman, just here I come. All right, so I still have to finish up the face, and I have this bronze palette that I actually just picked up. The Essence Sun Club Matte Bronzing Palette. I thought the colors inside of it looked very promising. I do have the Sun Bronzer, like the big one, and I really do like that one, so I thought this one might work out really well too. I feel like I could definitely mix some of these too, which is nice. I did do some swatching so you guys could see all 4 shades. And then I also got this Flower Power collection from BH Cosmetics. This is actually the eye and brush bag right here. Oh my gosh, look at how cute this bag is. I love it. So here are the 5 brushes. The handles right here are all like holographic, super cute. I definitely want to try this one right now and see if I can use it to maybe bronze up the skin with like the lightest shade. I'm going to start off with this lightest shade and just see what it plays like on the forehead. Yeah, you're not going to see anything, I can already tell. And let's try that really quickly. I always like to start on my forehead because if I start on my forehead and I mess up, it's my forehead. I can kind of cover it up with my hair. But if I start on my like cheeks or something, it can go all wrong really quickly. Ooh, that's a bit orange, isn't it? Oh. BH Cosmetics brushes are really, really great. I've had some that I think I finally just got rid of like the last 2 years, but for years I had them and they're great. They're very good. They're very affordable. Did I mention I like this bag? So a part of that collection also came with the 4-pan palette. Here are the shades. They are brighter shades of pink. And I'm excited to try these out because I've recently felt like I've been more into like brighter blushes and stuff like that. So here are the 4 blushes right there. Very pretty, super bright pops of pink. I kind of want to try maybe a combination of these two right here. Start up here. Oh yeah. So it looks a little bit strong now, but over time it will fade out. Don't worry about it. I don't know, I've really been into super bright pops of pink. I'm gonna apply a little bit of gloss. This is actually the Glow Yeah Lip Oil by Florence by Mills. I always forget what lip oils are much more oily. I'm not a big fan of lip oils. I don't know, I just don't feel like they do a whole lot for me. I have the Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics highlighter and the new Anastasia. This isn't as new, but it's the Anastasia highlighter. I think this is like her icy white one. So I did pick up the shade Ice. Very, very creamy. Look at how beautiful that is. Holy cow. Look at that. Wow. Let's take a look at how beautiful this packaging is really quickly. Look at that. I still want to try the Anastasia one because when she came out with that one, I was super excited. I tried picking up her like brow wax, that clear brow wax or whatever. That stuff's also been sold out, so I wasn't able to pick that up either in store. So here's what it looks like, and then you open it up. A little swatching for you. This is not what I envisioned it to be. Why did I think it was like an icy white? It's like a white yellow. It is not iced out. Why did I think it was like bright white? All right, I'm gonna go back in with the Jaclyn Hill one and just put this on the tip of my nose. Maybe because it said iced white or iced out, that I thought it was gonna be like an intense white highlight. Look at the tip of the nose highlight. That is a good tip of the nose highlight, if I must say. So I'm gonna keep today's eye look pretty easy. This is actually a part of the collection that I already did. This is the Bambi's Colourpop collection. I have another palette to play around with, but I just did a review on these and like some swatches. And I played with, I believe I played a lot more with like the Thumper palette, and I want to try out these brushes from BH Cosmetics. So I'm gonna go in and use this right here, which is their blending brush. I'm gonna take a little April shower and I'm gonna dust this all over my eyes. So I'm gonna go in and take Young Prince, which is this shade right in the center. This is actually gonna go all over my eye, except my lid. Oh, that's a little patchy. What the heck? Why does it look so patchy? It's weird. I do not like that at all. I did not have this issue with the other palette when I reviewed it. Do you see how it's like kind of patchy right here? It's weird. Oh my gosh, I've got to do my eyebrows. I have neglected my eyebrows so bad. I'm gonna go back in with a little bit of April Shower, blend out that edge. I do not like that color on my lid. I'm gonna take the same brush and I'm gonna go in with kind of Bashful, which is the deep matte brown shade right here. I mean, it's fine. It's just a basic brown eyeshadow look. I might take this like all over my lid right here too. Yeah, kind of like that. These colors are all in my collection already and they have better quality than this. Like this palette is just not, it's mediocre. In my last video, I used the Thumper palette, which is this one. And this one was beautiful. Like the colors were really pretty. It was super easy to blend out with. And it just looked really nice. All right, well, it is what it is. I'm gonna go in back with one of the BH Cosmetics. I'm gonna take that brown shade still, and I'm just gonna run it along my lash line. let's go into the mascara really quickly. I might deepen up the color after, but we'll keep it like this for right now. I'm going to go in with this mascara. This is actually a new mascara from Wet n Wild, and I've already seen it in store. They sent this to me, but I was at Ulta this morning and they had it there, and it's called the Big Papa Mascara. Look at how cute it is. It's got like a crown up here, right? Yeah, it's got a crown up here. Holy moly. It's got a little bit of like a rivet right in the center. All right. It's coming off really in like real light applications. It's not the consistency I'm having a problem with. It's like the application of it is just taking so long. Maybe the second coat will be better. We're moving on to 2 coats. There we go. There we go. I mean, they're holding up. You know, there's another mascara I want to give a shot to. Let me see. Maybe combining 2 mascaras would be a good thing. So I also have this mascara, which is the Rimmel London. This is the Wonder Extension. Look at how cool this is. And then, whoa, ugh, that's not good. It's got a rubber bristle to it. Let's see if it does anything. What the heck? It's kind of watery. Now they're starting to look worse. All right, this is just looking spiky. I don't know. I'm gonna apply some, you know, stuff down here. Eyeliner. Apply some stuff down here. And let me apply a couple of coats of mascara on the bottom lashes and see how that does. I am like not sold on this look at all. I'm just gonna apply some Demi Wispies from Ardell. Nothing like too crazy, but the fact that my eyelashes look like they fell off. You ever just like look at your makeup look and you're just like, I'm feeling myself today. Today is definitely not a I'm feeling myself kind of a day. So I popped on some lashes. Let me let those sit for a few seconds. I'm gonna use the Jaclyn Hill palette again, and I'm gonna use it to highlight my inner corner since the Bambi palette didn't have anything. Oh my gosh, that looks so beautiful. That highlight, man. I'm gonna have to like retry that mascara because it feels really weird right now. Let's just finish off with the lips. I'm gonna take Hush Hush and line my lips with it, but I'm gonna take this Dominique Cosmetics lip liner and fill it in completely. I'm gonna take the Kristen Dominique's lipstick, or lip liner. It's like the same exact color. What was I doing? So there's the Dominique Cosmetics, and then this one is Buxom, but I have this Buxom, this is the Pumping Lip Polish in Wing Woman. So I'm gonna go in with this one right here. I went ahead and I slicked my hair back and I put on some hoops to make me feel big and bold, and let's go ahead and just go over everything really quickly. You guys probably saw throughout the video how I felt about things, and I went ahead and I put little like thumbs up and thumbs down. I don't know what's going on with this palette, but when I swatched it in my video, it seemed to work fine, but we all know swatches can be very misleading. And then when I used it in the video, I only used it on my lower lash line, so I mean, it's kind of hard to tell how a palette's really gonna work on the lower lash line. The mascaras were definitely, they weren't very good, and I don't know why, especially this like Rimmel one, but I think I'm gonna try this alone and see how it works, but I'm not super impressed with the, you know, mascaras. And then the foundation is one that I feel like I need to play with a little bit because, I mean, right now it looks great. I feel like my skin looks really nice in it, but everything could change. I'm also in studio lighting, so who knows how that's gonna work out. The blush palette was beautiful also, and this, I'm not really sold on this. This is another product I'm not really sold on, which is the Glow Yeah Lip Oil by Florence. That is everything for today's video. Thank you so much for spending some time with me. I will link all of the products down below if you guys want to check them out. But if you guys are wanting to check out some other videos that I just recently posted, I will link them right here for you guys. Thank you again so much for spending some time with me. I really, truly appreciate it, you guys. I will see you guys all in my next video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.